Instagram has updated its Windows desktop client on the Microsoft Store as a progressive web app, PWA. Believed to have been originally spotted by Italian tech blog, Aggiornamenti Lumia, the new application, version 42.0.2.0, is now available to download globally and comes with the direct messaging feature that isn't yet available on the website. However, Instagram is currently testing DMs on its website, so expect it to be rolled out sooner rather than later. In case you don't know it already, PWAs are platform-agnostic applications that are meant to work on both mobile and desktop operating systems. They mostly function as native applications with support for a full suite of functionalities, including push notifications, hardware access and more. PWAs also typically bring faster updates because any change on the web could be rolled out to the PWA without too much of a problem.